I was interested in the project management certificate because it was something that provided a lot of flexibility. It's an amazing benefit that I did not foresee until I started. My name is Teresa Schaff and I am taking the project management certificate program.
You're going to be a driver of change. When we teach project management, we don't often talk about it, but that's the essence of this work. My name is Serhii Kovela. My role in this campus is Associate Teaching Professor. I represent the Masters in Project Management.
Every industry, every organization needs project managers, and it's really wonderful to be able to take your own unique background, channel it through a project management program, and then use those skills in whatever industry you're looking at. My name is Sam Nussbaum and I'm the CPS Academic Advisor.
Not having to change my work schedule to accommodate a certain class has been extremely valuable to me.
We give you the option between your electives and concentration to really personalize it to what you want. So if you have interest in a particular industry or field, you can take the classes that align with that. Most of our classes are held once a week. They normally start at about 6 o'clock, so it's perfect if you have a work day and then you can still have time for your classes. Also have the option of doing some online classes, which is really nice too if you don't have the capacity to come to campus for all of your classes.
We're very big on co-ops. While being a student, you actually get an opportunity to work for a real employer.
I think that's my favorite thing about our project management students. I always find that CPS students, and particularly project management students, are always the first to raise their hand for any sort of opportunity.
The skills that you get from this program will allow you to transcend industries, types of organizations, small or large profit, non-profit, commercial. You can find this work anywhere you go.
So I think project management certificate can really benefit folks who, they don't have a specific path that they want to go into an industry, or they don't know which industry they might want to tap into, because it equips them with a lot of really valuable knowledge and skill sets that prepare you for any industry you might want to go into.